Hi children, welcome back to Ramayanam. Yes, now in yesterday's episode we saw that Ravana was killed and we saw the Agni Pravesham of Sita. This was not for the sake of Rama. He knows what his wife was, but this was for the sake of others who would talk ill of Sita. So this was done, and now in today's episode, we are going to see how they went to Ayodhya. And what was there? Rama Pattabhishekam took place there in Ayodhya, children. So, after they reached the ashram where Lakshmana was, so outside Ayodhya, and Lakshmana came with his padukas to greet Rama. Lakshmana and Rama embraced each other and to show their love towards each other, and they, both of them, were very happy to see each other. The entire people of Ayodhya came there, all the queens and everyone came there. They were very happy that Rama, Sita, and Lakshmana had returned, and now they were ready for the Pattabhishekam of Sri Ramachandra, and Ayodhya was very happy to see the Pattabhishekam of Lord Sri Rama. So, children, Rama was crowned king, and the entire the Pattabhishekam was done, and Sri Ramachandra was crowned the king of Ayodhya. So now he is called Ayodhya Rama. So Sita Rama. So Kaushalya Rama became Sita Rama, and now Sita Rama became Ayodhya Rama. And now, children, Rama's Pattabhishekam was over. Everyone was happy, and Rama ruled the kingdom forever after very happily, and his rule was very, very, very nice and good, that all the people were happy, lived happily in his rule. And the ruling of Rama was well known to all the other rulers who came after Rama, and so it was called Ramarajyam. The rule of Rama was called Ramarajyam because it stood as a model to many other kings and kingdoms. So Ramarajyam, even today, if anybody rules so nicely, they call it as Ramarajyam, because all the people were prosperous, where all the four dharmas were good, and everybody followed the rules and regulations, and they lived happily, and they let others live happily. That was called Ramarajyam, children. So, children, by the story of Sri Ramachandra, we learn many, many, many values in life, and all of you, those who learned these values, must put them in practice. And you can see how the husband and wives were, you can see how the father and sons were, you can see how the guru and sishyas were, you can see how the brothers were. So you can learn so many things, and you can see how Hanuma was the best disciple of Rama. So all this you can notice in Ramayana, children. Yes, now so in Ramarajyam, everyone lived happily. So, children, all of you also should learn the values and practice them in life. So, our Ramayana episode from number 1 to 21. This is the end of Ramayana, and actually this is not the end. We have the story after the Pattabhishekam. It is the story of Lava and Kusha, the sons of Rama and Sita, but we will see that later. Now, for today, this episode of Lord Sri Ramachandra is over and Ramayana comes to an end here. So, let me continue with Lava and Kusha shortly. And now, okay, children, I think this corona period helped me a lot to be close to you. Yes, I am going to start so many stories. After this, I will start the stories. Children, I am very happy to tell you that I will be shortly giving you the Grandma Stories, a series of stories which will come to you every day. And in Grandma Stories, you can have a variety of stories. So, I am happy to tell you that I will be soon back, and I will also come back with many stories as you wish, children. Okay, children, bye. And this is Mrs. Sirisha Banu, is known as krishnapriya.akula@gmail.com. Okay, children. Okay, thank you. Bye.